Welcome back to the video wiki. My name is Pratap Singh and this is about Sazia Ilmi. Sazia Ilmi is one of the former national executive member of Aam Aadmi Party. She is a social activist who was formerly a television journalist, correspondent and anchor. During 2011 and 2012, she got actively involved with the Indian Against Corruption movement led by veteran social leader Anna Hazare and became the spokesperson of the movement. In the Jan Lokpal movement, she led a media campaign which found widespread acceptance. Ilmi parted her way with the AAP in May 2014. Personal background of Sazia Ilmi. Sazia Ilmi was born in 1970 in a Kanpur-based Muslim family. Her father was the founder and editor of Siyasat Zadid, the oldest Urdu daily, which was also the largest selling Urdu paper in Lucknow. She is the youngest of four brothers and two sisters. Ilmi did her schooling from St. Mary's School at Kanpur and also in Nainital. She was a student of St. Bat's College at Simla. Thereafter, she pursued a course in mass communication from Jamia Millia Islamia University in Delhi in 1994 and a diploma in journalism and broadcasting from University of Wales in Cardiff. She is also a diploma holder in 16 film production from the New York Film Academy. Her family has links with Congress party. One of her uncle was an Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly member for over 20 years. Her brother-in-law Arif Mohammed was a former politician and minister of the Indian National Congress Party and is at present a member of Bahujan Samaj Party. Her husband Sajid Malik is a half Tamil Iyer and a half Gujarati Muslim. By profession, he is an investment banker. Sazia Ilmi's professional background before entering politics. Sazia Ilmi is a former well-established prime-time television anchor and political correspondent who is the first working woman in her family. Her 15 years of experience in media is diverse in the field of documentary production and television news. Desh Videsh, the popular news show of Star News featured in prime time, was produced, anchored and hosted by Sazia Ilmi. Several shows on current affairs and documentaries highlighted issues on gender biases and rights of minority groups in India were produced by her. One of her show, Dr. Khan's, features sting operation on doctors involved in illegal female futicides. The aftermath of operation witnessed suspension of medical license of such doctors. She has also been associated with other renowned news mediums such as G News and the Times of India. Sazia Ilmi's plunge into politics. Sazia Ilmi played an active role from the very initial stage in the India Against Corruption movement led by Anna Hazare. As a media strategist, her experience in media was suitably utilized during the moment when she became the spokesperson of the movement. Arvind Kejriwal, a former civil servant officer and one of the eminent supporter of movement, had a difference of opinion with Anna Hazare. While Anna wanted the movement to be politically neutral, Kejriwal was of the opinion that it was necessary to directly get involved in politics since no progress was attained through talks with different political parties. Sazia Ilmi supported the move of Kejriwal and became a member of Aam Aadmi Party, launched under the leadership of Kejriwal. The party contested election for the first time on December 4, 2013 for the Delhi Legislative Assembly and won as many as 28 seats. Ilmi contested the December 2013 assembly election from the Ramakrishnapuram constituency on AAP ticket and narrowly lost. Ilmi contested the general election 2014 from Ghaziabad but lost the BJP ticket. BJP candidate General VK Singh, a former army chief who bagged a whopping 758,482, that is 7,58,482 votes, and Ilmi was at the fifth position with only 89,147 votes. Now with BJP. In the run up to the 2015 Delhi Assembly election, speculation started during round that Sazia Ilmi might join the BJP. On January 16, 2015, Ilmi was officially inducted into the BJP fold in media meet held at the Tal- Talkatoora Stadium in New Delhi. Controversy surrounding Sazia Ilmi. Sazia Ilmi was accused of accepting money for the AAP through illegal means. A sting operation conducted showed her along with some other leaders of Aam Aadmi Party allegedly accepting money, but there doubt about legitimacy and authenticity of the video. So that was about Sazia Ilmi. In the next session or in the next episode, we will come with new personality. We will discuss about some new personality. Till then, bye bye.